Hello students, welcome to my channel Learn Law with Professor Rashmi. I have already started video lecture series on environmental law. Many of you have communicated to me that you are finding the videos truly helpful. I am grateful for your lovely feedbacks. Before moving ahead, I would request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss the upcoming video lectures. I have found that many law students, in spite of having proper knowledge and studying well, are not able to write their exams effectively. They lack in writing skills. Writing is a skill which every law student needs to learn to have a successful legal career, may it be as a lawyer, as in the judiciary, as a professor, or in a corporate career, whatever it is. But writing skills are crucial. In today's lecture, I am here to discuss one crucial topic which is important from exam point of view, that is how to attempt situation-based problems or problem questions in exams. Don't skip the video because I am going to tell you how would you be able to score full marks in this type of questions. Before understanding how to attempt a particular type of question, you need to understand what are the skills that are assessed by such questions. When an examiner is reading your answers, he is assessing your skills in some way. What are the skills which are assessed? Four important skills assessed in such type of problem-based questions or situation-based questions are comprehension or interpretation skills, analytical skills, application of knowledge, and writing skills. When you read a particular situation, you understand that situation, then you analyze the facts, then you apply the knowledge which you have and you write the solution. What do you understand by comprehension or interpretation skills? If I am giving you a particular situation and you read a particular situation based problem, you need to understand what it means. There are two types, that is basically what is written in black and white, and second is reading between the lines. So you should be able to understand what the situation exactly trying to tell you. Then you are analyzing the situation, what exactly is the given situation, and then you are going to apply your knowledge. So even as an advocate, when you are going to prepare for contesting a particular case, I am sure that you are going to study the material or the provisions or the case laws precedents on that topic, and then you are going to the court and apply your knowledge. And writing skills. Why writing skills are important? Because writing skills is the way that you are going to express yourself without speaking. So how are you going to effectively write is what is important. Now once you understood what are the skills which are going to be assessed, the next question that you will ask me is, how am I going to develop these skills? So how to develop the skills? Basically these skills would be developed by reading. The more and more you read, more and more you comprehend, you understand in shorter period of time. Then you are what all things you are going to read? You are going to read basic provisions of law, may it be a bare act, then the applications, their commentaries, reference books, case studies, and all together is going to complete your reading process. When I talk about writing, how are you going to develop your writing skills? As far as from exam point of view, let me tell you how are you going to develop your writing skills. What you can do is you decide a particular topic, read the basic provisions of law on that topic, different reference books, what they want to say on that particular topic, maybe commentaries of different authors, case studies on that particular topic, the case laws relevant to that topic. Once you read this, either you read it once or twice or thrice and try to understand by reading, then close all the material, all the books, and start writing. This will help you understand how much are you able to retain what you are reading and how much you are going to reproduce. I have seen many students who retain the knowledge well, but they are not able to reproduce. So they come and say, Madam, I was knowing everything, but I could not write. So reproducing what you have in your memory, what you have in your understanding is a different skill than basic retention in memories. So when you are preparing for such exams, so basically when you are preparing for any law exams, see to it that when you are reading a particular thing in a day, at least practice writing for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the least thing which you can do to develop your writing skills. Moving ahead, now coming to our basic question, how am I going to solve these questions? See, the situation based problems asked in your exams are pretty simple. They have simple answers or simple questions. Is this contract valid, or is this contract void? Is this offer valid? Is this particular word can be used as a trademark? Can this invention be patented? Can a check bounce case can be done in this particular situation? All these would be simple questions which have simple answers, yes or no. But are you going to write simple yes or no? No. You are supposed to write proper answer because it is for 6 marks. If it is only for 1 or 2 marks, yes or no can give you full marks. But when you are writing a 6 marks question, generally situation based problem questions are asked for 6 marks. So you have to write each and everything. What are you expected to write? Let me tell you. In step 1, when you read a situation based problem in your exam paper, read it once or twice or thrice, maybe as per your need. Then write down the fact in short bullet points. I have seen many students writing the whole question again in the question answer paper. There is no need. Examiner is already having your question paper. Why do I write? You have to write the facts only in short bullet points so that the examiner is understanding that you have understood the facts first. Step 2. What would be step 2? You are going to write down the provisions or the laws which are applicable. What does this mean? So basically, if I am asking you a question that is this invention eligible for granting patent, so you can say as per section 3 no, or as per section 4 no, it is not, whatever it is. So whatever section or whatever provision is there, so this contract is void or valid, then you can talk about section 10 or whatever sections, whatever provisions, whatever it may be. You have to write down those provisions, that section numbers and that applicable laws. In third step, you are going to write a relevant case law. If you are remembering, if you are able to remember the relevant and applicable case law here, you can write. This is definitely going to improve your impression or create an impression mind of examiner that you are understanding a particular situation well. And fourth and last step would be, you have to apply that provisions to that particular existing situation based problem. Compare it with the case law which you have already mentioned, if any, and then conclude your answer by giving your opinion on the questions asked. So when I told you that by mere writing yes or no, you are not going to score 6 marks, this step 4 is going to help you to score full marks. But only step 4, what students do is only write actual direct answer and they expect that they should get full marks. This won't happen. So you have to write all the 3 steps first and then you have to come to step 4. Let me tell you why. Suppose I give you a story to all the students here, and maybe I have given a story to 4 students to read, and I ask each and every student to narrate their story. Each and every student is going to have his different style to narrate the story, right? Sometimes not each and every student is going to be effective in narrating a story. Which story would be effective? When a person is narrating something, what would be effective? When he is trying or the narration is in such a way that the person is inquisitive, is kept engaged in that story. What is going to happen next? What is going to happen in the climax? What would be the result? The person who is going to tell you the result at the very first time, it is not going to be that impressive. So here when you are writing the first 3 steps, like you are interpreting the problem, you are writing down the facts, you are writing down the provisions, you are writing down the case law if any you know, and then you are coming to the conclusion. This, because of this, all you are building a foundation to your answer. So first 3 steps would be like building a foundation to a building which is going to help you score full marks. Simple. So when I talk about why I say this, yes, this contract is valid. Why? Because these are the relevant provisions which I am relying upon. These are the precedents which I am relying upon. Simple. So this is how you are going to solve your problem questions or situation based problems which are going to help you score full marks in exam. Trust me, the situation based problems are very simple and easy, but you have to present it in a manner that you are going to get good marks. In upcoming videos, we are also going to discuss how to answer two sentence answers or short notes or long questions. Many a time they come with questions. How many pages do you expect? How are you expecting that I should write an answer? What should I write when I'm knowing 2 or 3 pages of knowledge, but I am not able to fit it in two sentence answers? So how to attempt those questions, and also tips. I am going to give you tips for preparing exams in short. So preparing for exams in short period of time is actually not a thing to do, but still I would give you some tips so that you score good marks. If you are not able to study a particular subject for a long time and only short duration is available, for a short window of time is available for you to study, I would share those tips also. So if you don't want to miss any of these upcoming videos, do subscribe to the channel. Also, I would like you to share your feedback in the comment section. Meet you soon with new video lecture. Till then, keep studying. Bye and thank you.